Hello students, welcome to my class. Today we will do the chapter Identities, and this chapter is a formula based chapter where you have to solve the exercise using one of these formulas which is given, and I have written down all of them here. You are expected to learn them thoroughly, by heart it, take a rough notebook, write down and check whether you are writing it correctly, and then go to the exercise to solve them. Solving the exercise will not be difficult provided you have written the formulas correctly, because you just have to substitute and you have to multiply, square them or cube them, in which you are already very good because you have solved the exercises on squares and cubes. Simplification you have already done in the 6th standard, 7th standard, so that will not be a problem. But to stress once again, you have to learn all the formulas which I have written it down for you, and you are expected, let me repeat, you are expected to learn all of them, write in your rough notebook, check that you are writing it correctly, and then go to solve the exercise. So there are formulas like x plus a into x plus b, x plus a into x minus b, x minus a into x minus b. All different formulas are given here. X plus a into x minus y is, x plus y into x minus y is equal to x square minus y square, or vice versa. X square minus y square is x plus y into x minus y. This is a formula which you have done it last year. Squaring the added one or subtracted one, also you have done it last year. A plus b whole square, a minus b whole square, you have done it last year. It is repeated. A plus 1 by a whole square, a minus 1 by a whole square, also you have done it last year, so this is not new. These formulas are something new for you, that is a plus b plus c whole square is a square plus b square plus c square plus 2 within bracket ab plus bc plus ac. With any sign changed here, you just have to substitute with that minus sign. So if you are remembering this formula, you can write this one as well. Cubes, a plus b whole cube is a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. This can also be written as a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. Similarly, a minus b whole cube is a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. You can also write it as a cube minus b cube minus 3ab within bracket a minus b. So these are the formulas which you are going to use in the exercise. I have just taken 2 examples here just to show you how to proceed, and it is like this. If you have to expand the square of 3x plus 4y, you will have to write down the formula first. A plus b whole square is a square plus 2ab plus b square, and then substitute as 3x whole square plus 2 into 3x into 4y plus 4y whole square, and then write the answer. For expanding a cube, that is 5y minus 3x cube, you know the formula. A minus b whole cube is a cube minus 3a square b minus 3ab square minus b cube. So 5y whole cube minus 3 5y whole square into 3x plus 3 5y into 3x whole square minus 3x whole cube, and then you expand and write the answer. So this is just the method shown to you. I have noted down some more questions for you all, which we will do it slowly one by one. Question number 1. X plus 8 into x plus 3. So this is the formula of x plus a into x plus b, and that is x square plus a plus bx, that is 8 plus 3x plus ab, 8 into 3 is 24. Y plus 5 into y minus 3, this is of the formula x plus a into x minus b, so y square plus 5 minus 3y minus 5 into 3, so y square plus 2y minus 15. I have taken down many questions which will definitely help you in solving the exercise, so please pay attention. Question number 3. A minus 8 into a plus 3 a plus 2, sorry, that is a square minus 8 minus 2 into a minus 8 into 2. So a square minus 6a minus 16. I have just substituted, remembering the formula which you should write down as I showed you in the solved example. b minus 3 into b minus 5 is b square minus 3 plus 5b plus 3 into 5. That is b square minus 8b plus 15, because minus 3 into minus 5 is plus, so that is not shown here. 2a plus 3 into 2a minus 3, this is x plus a into x minus y, that is x square minus y square. So 2a whole square minus 3 whole square, so 4a square minus 9. Next, 3 minus 2x, 3 plus 2x into 9 plus 4x square. So we solve it stepwise. These two are in the formula x plus y into x minus y, that is x square minus y square. So 3 square minus 2x square, we write this as it is. We come to 9 minus 4x square into 9 plus 4x square. Again it is in the form of x minus y into x plus y, that is x square minus y square. So 9 whole square minus 4x square whole square is 81 minus 16x to the power 4. We just remember the formula and substitute. You are expected to write the formula here because that is important. Otherwise, you will not be given the full mark. Question number 7. 2x minus 3b, 3a plus 4b. You see that none of the 4 terms are same. They are all different. So we cannot use any formula here. We have to straight away do the multiplication as we did it for the algebraic expression. 2a into 3a plus 4b minus 3b into 3a plus 4b. So 2 3s are 6a square plus 4 2s are 8ab minus 9ab minus 12b square. 8ab minus 9ab is minus ab. So your final answer is 6a square minus ab minus 12b square. Question number 8. X plus 3y whole square. We did a similar question just now in the solved example. Putting in the formula of a square plus 2ab plus b square and substituting, we get x square plus 6xy plus 9y square. You have 2a minus 1 by a whole square. So a square minus 2ab into b square. Here a into 1 by a gets cancelled. So your answer is 4a square minus 4 plus 1 by a square. We take another set of question and it is like this. Question number 10. 2x minus 3y plus z whole square is given by a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ac, and we substitute. Finally we get 4x square plus 9y square plus z square, plus minus is minus 12xy, plus minus is minus 6yz, and plus 4xz. You need to be very careful when we write the product. Question number 11. If your question is 415 whole square, instead of multiplying, you have to put it into the formula base, that is 400 plus 15, that is a plus b whole square, is a square plus 2ab plus b square, that is 1,60,000, 12,000 and 225 on added, you get 1,72,225. If you have a question of 188 whole square, then your sum becomes 200 minus 12. So a minus b whole square is a square minus 2ab plus b square. So 40,000 minus 4,800 plus 148, and finally simplify it as the answer. You are definitely going to get questions on it, but remember children, every time you should write the formula and then substitute. I have skipped the writing formula here because I am trying out with so many questions, but in the solved example I showed you how to write. Question number 13. 2a plus 3b whole cube, that is a cube plus 3a squared b plus 3b square a plus b cube, and we get 8a cube plus 4 into 9 36 a squared b plus 9 into 6 54 ab square plus 27 b cube. Number 14, x minus 1 by 2 whole cube. So we substitute a cube minus 3a squared b plus 3ab square minus b cube. We find out the product and we write. Question number 15. If a minus b is 6 and ab is 16, find the value of a square plus b square. So we first write the formula, that is a minus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. Now we substitute. A minus b 6 is given. So 6 square is equal to a square plus b square. We have to find out. Minus 2 into 16. So we get 36 is equal to a square plus b square minus 32. When 32 is brought this side, it is a square plus b square is 36 plus 32, and the answer is 68. Interesting question. You will definitely get questions like this. The next set of question. Question number 16. If a square plus b square is now given and ab is given, please find out the value of a plus b. So we write the formula. A plus b whole square is a square plus b square plus 2ab. We substitute 29 plus 2 into 10. Together we get 49. So a plus b is square root of 49, and that is plus minus 7. Because square of both plus 7 is also 49, minus 7 is also 49. So you have to write plus minus 7. If you write only 7 or plus 7, your answer is wrong. Question number 17. A plus 1 by a is 3. Find a square plus 1 by a square. So a plus 1 by a whole square is a square plus 1 by a square plus 2. We substitute. 3 square is equal to a square plus 1 by a square plus 2. When we bring 2 this side, it is 9 minus 2, and the answer is 7. We come to the next question, number 18. Where a square plus 1 by a square's value is 11. You have to find a minus 1 by a. So a minus 1 by a whole square is a square plus 1 by a square minus 2. We know this one is equal to 11 given minus 2 is 9, and square root I showed you just now, square root of 9 is plus minus 3. This is another good question. Question number 19. A plus b plus c is 10. So a square plus b square plus c square is 38. Find ab plus bc plus ac. So a plus b plus c whole square is a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus bc plus ac. Substitute. 10 square is 100. This one directly given 38. 100 minus 38 is 62. 2 divided will give you 31. Question number 20. Here mentioned 2x minus 1 by 2x is 4. Find the value of 4x square plus 1 by 4x square. Also find the value of 8x cube minus 1 by 8x cube. So first we will do first bit, that is 2x minus 1 by 2x whole square is 4x square plus 1 by 4x square minus 2. So which formula have we used here? A minus 1 by a whole square is a square plus 1 by a square minus 2. This value is given 4. So 4 square is 16. 2 gets added here. 16 plus 2 is 18. Now in the next second part we have to find the cube. So a minus 1 by a whole cube is a cube minus 1 by a whole cube minus 3 into a minus 1 by a. Now we substitute. This is 4 cube. This is 3 into 4 given is 12. Gets added. 64 plus 12 is 76. This is a very simple exercise where you will be able to solve all the questions only if you have learned the formulas correctly and you are able to substitute them correctly, multiply and put the answer also. There are exercises, 3 to 4 exercises given in your text regarding them. So please watch the video, learn the formulas, write them down in the rough notebook, check that you can learn them properly and you are able to recall it also, and then solve the exercise. If you have any doubt, children, please put it in the comment section. I will clear them. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Take care, children.